Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Learn with Motaleb. Welcome to back Flutter Unlimited Package series. Today I will discuss a awesome package. Let's go. First of all, go to your browsers. I am here Safari browsers and search Flutter's Animated 2. This name of search. First of all, is click Animated 2 pub.dev here. Click. Now click in installing. As you can add this dependency to a first off with command and secondly directly add dependency on your project. I will suggest add this package with command. Copy this command and go to Android Studio, open terminal and here paste. Okay, now add this project. About all details, you can copy this name and here search GBT. Here paste. This is use a Flutter's Animated 2. Now okay, enters. That first of all, this documentation, any dependency need, second run project, and you can use this package. The different animation with daily decorations, has all everything. Okay, let's go start our Android Studio project. Need a folder. Click new. This folder directory. Let's Flutter Animated 2. Okay, now need a dot class Animated 2. Need a stateful widget Animated 2 home. Okay, now return this scaffold. Here's scaffold. Now this body and centers and style text here. Sorry, you can style text style. That's text style. Font weight bold. Okay, bold. Size, font size 30 pixel. You can change color blue. Now okay, run the project. Animated 2 set of our main.dart. Okay, here's that project. I was love Sonia. Need animation. Click readme file has and blue has property wall key style daily infinite finish curves and use has all animations, fade out animations, browns in animations and elastics in animation. There's slide in animations, back in animations and back out animations, all animation. You can use all animation. This is awesome package for our Flutter app development. Use here widget. Need input package. Okay, first to run the project. Wow, this is animation. You can use here duration second, past second, 5 second, daily duration second, 1 second. Okay, wow, this is nice. Slide down, slide in left, slide in right, slide in up. Now right. Wow. Slide down. Wow, this is pattern. They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games. I just fat in down, fat in up. It's a mood you lack. I go crazy. Nah, bitch, I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these bounces. Rotate in, ellipse in X, zoom in, you can use all properties. Thank you everyone.